Hi, in this video, we are going to make this my first recital shaker. You can find the file below in the description. After downloading the file to your computer, upload the file to Design Space. The finished size is 7 inches, so click Make It if you are happy with the size. Now we got to the Prepare page. The first and the second pages are the same size circles. The first page is acetate for the shaker. The second page is the base inside the shaker, so you might want to choose contrast color to make it stand out a bit more. Despite it looks like many pages to be cut, we could save paper by combining pages together. Page 3 could change the size to later size. Page 4 and 5 could be combined into one, 12 by 12. Just move the circle from page 5 to page 4 and rotate the word Recital to fit in. This way we have got rid of one page. Same here, page 6 and 7 could be combined as well. Move the circle from page 7 to page 6. Move the word My to the middle of the ring and rotate the word Recital to fit. We have saved another 12 by 12 page. Now we are ready to cut the design. The shaker is made of 3 colors. Here I'm using pink as the theme color. I used 2 12 by 12 and 1 later size cards here. All the elements has been cut. I like to stack them together to check if all the elements are here. There should be 3 layers of rings, acetate layer, shaker background, and the flower layer. 3 pieces for side of the shaker, 3 layers for each word, and 3 flower piles. Everything is here, then we can start to put the shaker together. To begin with, use a pen or something round to curl the 3 flowers piles. Now the flowers are done, put them aside. Next, grab the 3 pieces for side of the shakers. Use a pen to curl them. At the end of each piece, we could see a mark. This is where we stick 2 pieces together. Put a dab of glue at the end and glue 2 pieces together. Repeat the same step to glue the 3rd piece. Align the mark and glue together. We are not going to enclose them yet. Leave it for now and start folding the top and the bottom tabs. Next, we are going to attach the side strap to the base of the shaker. I have applied double side tape around the circle. Later, I realized the tape isn't really sticky, so I suggest craft glue is probably better. Take time to align the side panel and the base. At the end, glue the side panel to enclose the circle. Grab the flower layer. We can see a circle dashed line on the flower. That's the mark for us to attach the shaker base. Use glue or double-sided tape to attach the flower and the base together. Give it a good press to secure it. Put the base aside once it's done. Now we are going to glue the 3 rings together. Then attach the ring to the acetate. Flip over and give it a gentle press. Put it aside. Now we are going to assemble the wordings. Glue the first and the second layers together. Apology for my shocking glue skill here. I don't really have delicate craft hands. For the second layers, I use foam dots to make the words pop up a bit. Put the words aside once they are done. Next, we are going to put the flowers together. Find the biggest layers of the flowers and squeeze a dab of glue in the middle. Put the second layers on top. Again, put glue in the middle and put the top layers on. I got some little beads at home, so I decided to use them to decorate the flowers. It is up to you if you don't have any handy. Now the flowers are done too. Next step is my favorite part, glitters. Chuck in some blings and glitters. I just love all these shiny colors. Looks sparkly. Next, we will seal the shaker. Put glue around the acetate. Be careful with the acetate. Once glue marks get on it, it is hard to clean. So take your time here. Flip it over carefully and attach it to the base. I like to flip it over and give it a good press. Now flip it back. It is looking good. I just love the sound of a shaker. Next, we are going to attach the words to the shaker. I decided to put the wording a bit lower so we could see a bit more of the shaker. Once we're happy with the layout, just glue them together. Arrange where you would like to put the flowers. I reckon they look pretty good at the top. Glue them together. There we have it. My first recital shaker. Hope you enjoy this project. Happy crafting!